Hey there, it's spring again, and that means that it's the selling season. In real estate, the spring is a big deal because there are a lot of people who are going to be on the market looking for properties just like yours. And maybe you've been thinking about it's time to downsize, or maybe even you've gotten married or had a kid and it's time to upsize. It could be a great time for you to capitalize on today's market while the interest rates are still relatively low, and you've got the most amount of people looking at properties on the market today. Now, I want to give you a big piece of advice. You want to work with someone who's experienced and know what they're doing to help you price your property effectively so that you take advantage of the market. A lot of people will come in and try to overprice your property, and that can be really dangerous, especially now with so much going on geopolitically and also economically. You want to find that right price and that right marketing strategy that gets you the most amount of eyes on your property in today's market. If you overprice your property, you'll find that some buyers will think you're being unrealistic and they won't even want to come see your property. And that would be a shame to get your house all nice and ready to sell and have no one come out and take a look. We've been in the market since 2004, which means we know our stuff in real estate. We've got a wonderful buyers team that can help you find your next property and help you get out of this property at the same time. I'm Willa Williams with the Go Getter team, and you definitely want to reach out to us and our team to help you into your next transition.